Now, players in the insurance sector are advocating for an increase in policyholder compensation if an insurance company goes under. According to the Policyholder Compensation Fund, the body mandated to effect the compensation under the national treasury. The capping of compensation at only 250,000 shillings is minimal and disadvantages claimants who have been adversely affected and whose sum assured runs into millions of shillings. The sector is now calling in Kenyans to submit proposals in the ongoing drafting of the PCF bills to anchor it in law. Jimmy Mbogo has the details.
Insurance firms may soon be forced to part with more to guarantee the security of policies should they run into financial trouble leading to cancellation of their licenses. Should a proposal by the Policyholder Compensation Fund sail through, firms may be forced to contribute more than 0.5% of the premium cost to the Policyholder Compensation Fund. The fund, which is seeking input on how to increase the maximum compensation from the current 250,000 cap, says the amount is too little.
Whenever a company went down initially, there was nobody to cushion you. But now, PCF is there to cushion you, to compensate. Though the amount is a little, as the commissioner said, we are working on the figures to raise them up as contributions increase.
Compensation amount of 250,000 may not be adequate. It is a place to begin with, and I'm sure that in the coming days that amount will be looked into with a view to increasing and making it easier for many policyholders to get compensation. That it may not be adequate, because I know most sum assureds are in excess of, there are millions of shillings, but the compensation of 250 is a big challenge to bridge that gap.
The insurance sector, which boasts of assets under management of over 1 trillion shillings and over 2% in contribution to GDP, called for the adoption of new technologies to further deepen the sector's contribution to the economic well-being of the nation through innovative products that cater to emerging needs of underwriters.
We are also doing advocacy in policy to ensure that compensation levels and funding models remain effective, sustainable, and aligned with evolving industry needs.
Our ultimate aspiration is to move from being a reactive competitor to a proactive risk minimizer, a principle embraced by the most effective insurance guarantee schemes globally.
Since its inception, Policyholder Compensation Fund has compensated claimants of Blue Shield Insurance, Explico Insurance and Invesco Insurance, which are under statutory management. Further, PCF has assured claimants of improved turnaround times following the automation of claim filing. Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
We are enjoying